Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, April the 3rd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is a email address. You can use this address to ask me any questions you may have. This is a link to get into our free room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate in our room. This is a subscription link. There's a 15% promo code there for instant savings, either on a monthly. If you take the monthly, it's for the first month only, that 15%, or annual. Of course, it'll be applied to the whole year. I typically open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern time in the morning, of course, and that's when I get start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go to 3:30 Monday to Thursday and 3 o'clock on Fridays. All right, another relatively quiet day for me, but a couple of nice trades. Let me just bring up this one. This I was hoping for more on this one. This had earnings after hours yesterday. You can see right here. Here's the mauve area right there. That represents the after hours trading, and they release earnings. Big downturn, and came back a little bit after hours. And then, of course, we see this. This is this tan area here. We see this in the pre-market. So this was already one of those ones that we were probably going to be watching all day long anyway. People ask me, well, how did you find this one? Well, it's pretty easy. If you do your pre-market work, you will see the ones that are either, the ones that are moving up or the ones that are moving down. And this one was certainly looking like it was going to move down. So anyway, I looked at this one, and it also occurred right here on an opening 30-minute range break at 1391. So I had an alert also for it in case I forgot about it. And so when it broke down through 14, I waited just a little bit, and I took the short right at 1380. What was it? 1383. And it looked really good. It looked like it was going to really break down through 1350. It just didn't do it. So I got rid of I covered most right around here at 1360. So, and then afterwards it did capitulate a little bit more. And, that was, obviously I was hoping that it would get down closer to that 13 level, try to challenge what it did in the after hours yesterday. It just didn't quite get there. So that was that one. The next one was EEFT. And this one came on basically a momentum down. And, I saw this one right around here. Actually, Dusty and a couple other people in the room mentioned this one. Finally ended up, I was watching this one. I cannot chase. I just will not chase. But I decided that just underneath the whole number there, I would take the trade. The sector also, this is one of the ones in the financial sector. And the financial sector was also weak. So I decided to take the short and took it. I think it popped up here, and then I took the short right here, 72.96, as it broke down the whole number for the second time. A lot of times that's what I'll do. That's close enough. A lot of times, see how it broke down and it came up, and I ended up covering some right here at 72.46, and then right underneath the whole number at 71. Am I right? Just a second here. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I covered some right here, and then I covered more just as it was coming back up over the whole number, 71.90. So right about here. So that turned out to be a pretty nice trade. It was a little over $1 on the second part of that, and again, with the financial sector being weak. Now, it is coming back a little bit. I am actually in this one, and I'm still in it. I'm going to try to hold. I'm actually short this one. If it hits that whole number, I'll get out. But I'm short this one at 69.71. Probably should have taken some out down here, but we'll see. If it gets back to that whole number, I'll definitely get out of it and maybe look to reshort it down the road. And that, I just want to show you one other one, ALNA, just to show you how some stocks just literally trade on their own. Let me show you the daily. Now, as you know, the market over this time period has been basically doing this. And also, the biotech sector has been doing this. Take a look at IBB. Look at IBB. This is the sector that stock is in. ALNA is in. Look what it has done. And I have watched this one, but I keep waiting for some kind of a daily pullback, and it just has not happened. I mean, this hit 1756. I mean, it's amazing. This stock was what, 624 on March the 18th. So we're talking less than a month. This has gone from 624, hit a high of 17 here. So it's just one of those things. I mean, this is what you call the alpha stock. This is trading completely on its own. It doesn't care what its sector is doing. It doesn't care what the rest of the market is doing. And I have been watching this one for the longest time. Especially, I think I had an alert when it broke over 10. Kept waiting for some kind of a daily pullback. But look at this. It's all green bars. Now maybe maybe this will happen. I know that there is some I can't remember which analyst it is, but has put a pretty robust target on it. I think it was $61. I just can't remember what analyst it is. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this one because a lot of people, oh, the other one is this INNT. Not quite as clean, but again, look at this. I mean, it's come from $5, February 28th, all the way to $48 today. There is somebody in the room, I think, who took the trade a little bit at 23, they said, and has been able to hold on. But anyway, what an amazing, amazing run for this one. So that is about it. Just have to keep an eye on that LNC, see if it comes back a little bit. It's a little bit 69.71, so it's at 69.89. So I'm a little bit underwater on it, but we'll see what happens a little bit later. All right. I want to close that down. So let me bring back my capture program. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is a link to get into our free room. No strings attached. We don't even ask for a credit card. Basically what happens, just copy and paste that link into your browser, and you'll be taken to a site where we'll ask you for your email. We'll send you back an email. You'll create a password, and then that's it. Just one time only, of course, and that'll get you into our free room. And this is a link for a subscription. Again, a 15% promo code is there for instant savings. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I'll start to share my screen, and I'll get live on the mic at about 9:05. So I hope everybody has a wonderful evening, and we'll see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.